BNN's protest and pro-Israel glorification exposed dangerous foreign alignments. Across several European countries, fringe protests are occasionally organized by the BNM. These low turnout gatherings, usually numbering between 30 to 50 individuals, rarely gain traction or credibility beyond their small echo chambers. What's alarming is not the size, but the symbolism. At these events, protesters wave not only the flag of the so-called Greater Balochistan, but also the Israeli flag. This open display of allegiance exposes the deeper ideological tilt of these separatist elements and their dangerous political sympathies. Following Israel's unilateral aggression against Iran on the morning of June 13, 2025, where critical infrastructure and a nuclear facility were targeted, sub-nationalist Baloch elements and the pseudo-journalist proxies began openly glorifying Israeli power. Rather than condemning the escalation, they portrayed Israel's action as strategic brilliance, revealing their willingness to align with hostile global actors for the sake of attention and perceived legitimacy. A key example is Bahut Baloch, who through his X account celebrated Israel's ability to cripple Iran in just 10 minutes, drawing disturbing parallels to previous Israeli strikes on Hamas. In doing so, Bahut equated a sovereign state with a non-state militant group, showcasing the intellectual bankruptcy and moral confusion that defines this circle of propagandists. Their obsession with provocation over peace and chaos over coexistence is clear. By aligning with controversial foreign powers and glorifying military aggression, these elements reveal their true agenda: not justice or rights, but disruption, distortion, and division. They are rhetoric, and their alliances don't deserve Balochistan. They serve external interests that thrive on instability.